This is question 11. The directions say, find all solutions for the given triangle if possible. If no solution exists, write no solution. Round side lengths to the nearest tenth and angle measures to the nearest degree. So basically, remember, anytime that you're using sine and you're finding an angle, remember you have the situation where it's possible that it can't make a triangle, it's possible that it makes one triangle, or it's possible that there are actually two triangles that could be made. So what we want to do to start the problem is just set up a drawing. Or to be honest, with this one, it's pretty straightforward. You could probably just put it into the formula. But let's go ahead and say this is angle A. It's 117 degrees. And then side A is 14. We'll call this B and C. So side B is 15. And so the first thing we would be able to find is angle B. Now, because I'm trying to find an angle, I'm going to use sine of B on the top because I like to put whatever I'm trying to find first, and that just makes it easier to solve. So sine of B goes across from 15, and we'll have sine of 117 up here over 14. So to solve this, I'm first going to multiply by 15. But the problem there is that you still have sine of an angle equals this whole thing. So when you go to put it in the calculator, basically if you're trying to find an angle, you'll want to do shift sine. So basically it'll look like this, B equals, and then I would just put all of this in together, sine 117 over 14 times 15. Okay, so let me show you in the calculator what that'll look like. So shift sine, and then we need a fraction with regular sine 117, close the brackets, over 14, make sure you go over, times 15, close the brackets, and in this case we get 72.67. So since this is an angle, I'm going to round to the nearest degree, 73. Okay. So basically at that point we need to finish solving the triangle with B as 73. But what I'm going to suggest is we actually look for an alternative B right now. B could also be 180 minus 73, and when I do that I get 107. Now here's where you need to check 107 with the original angle. So if I look at this, I have 117 here, and this would be 107. The problem is 117 plus 107, it's bigger than 180. So there's no way this could be part of the triangle. So basically in this situation, I'm only going to have one answer. Okay? Alright, so let's move on. We're going to go ahead now and find angle C, and then we'll find side C. So angle C, I'm just going to do my 180 minus 117 minus 73. And something interesting happened. I also have over 180. So I guess I didn't look at that first. But if you actually go back, the original angle is 117, right? Then you've got an answer for B of 73. That one is also over 180. So what this means is that actually B can't be 73 either. And so what this means is that whether you figured it out here or whether you figure it out here, it doesn't matter. The idea is the same, that this cannot make a triangle. So in this case, you're going to tell me no solution. Okay, and the reason it's no solution is because the answer I got for the other angle is too big for these to make a triangle. It would be too wide open and they wouldn't be able to close. Okay?